Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today is October 1st, and I wanted to share with you my Moody fall home tour. So you guys know I told you I was going for a Moody vibe for fall, and I think I achieved the look I wanted. So I wanted to share it with you to give you a little fall home decor inspiration. So, if you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style, on a budget, and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So, I have used items that I have purchased on clearance and thrifted, and I have decorated my home for fall. I hope you enjoy. Leave me a comment down below. And are you ready for our next holiday? Well, for me anyway, the next holiday will be Halloween, and I love decorating for Halloween. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, because I do go out all out decorating for Halloween and Christmas. Yes, I go all out for Christmas. So, if you love home decor and home decorating, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, on with the tour. I love how the floral arrangement came together for fall. I love the burgundy of the roses, the deep red, and the thistle that I picked up from Z Gallery. The other florals are from Michael's, and they were all bought on sale at a great price. These oversized coffee table books are a DIY. They were inspired by Restoration Hardware. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box below.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go
If you like the black and gold pillow covers and the fur throw, they both came from Amazon and you can find them in my Amazon store. The link is in my description box.
I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me when we on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here.
I hope you guys are enjoying my Moody Fall Vibe home tour. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of the family. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate all your wonderful comments. Leave me a comment down below. Are you liking my Moody Fall home tour? Hope you guys have enjoyed my Moody Fall home tour, and it has given you a little bit of decorating inspiration for fall, and I greatly appreciate you watching, and I hope you decide to stick around. So let's take one last look, and I'll see you in the next one.